guys, what's up? It's me, Selena. I know I haven't been on here for a while and I haven't filmed a video where I just sit down and talk to you guys, but I thought it would be a great idea to film another video because I got this new adorable pink Louis Vuitton bag and I obviously needed to show it off. But I'm not just here to show my bag off, I honestly just want to show you what's inside of it as well because I've never done a what's in my bag video, so I thought it would be a great idea to just do one of those fun little videos and show you what's in my bag. So let's go. So the first thing I obviously have is my phone to stay in touch with my family and friends. Then I have my laptop for working purposes, so because I do a lot of working stuff on it obviously. And then I have my battery charger for my laptop because it honestly needs to be full of battery. Next thing I have is a notebook because I still want to write down things. I know there are a lot of people who just type in everything on their phone. I do it as well, but I also have my notebook because I just need it. My mascara, my Maybelline, it's my favorite one. I like it a lot. It's really good. Some hand cream in case it's really cold outside, just to have like moisturized hands. So then I also have my phone charger for my phone. What else? Light, just in case I get lost. Then I have a nail file. Just a lot of random things. My camera bag, because I don't want to just throw my camera into my bag. I always have it with me. It's a Sony Alpha 5000. I always carry this one with me just because I like to shoot a lot of cool photos and videos whenever I'm on the go. So wired headphones because I don't listen to a lot of music on my AirPods. I like to use wired earphones still, so I carry them with me to keep the eyes good before using mascara. Then for my brows, this one is from Catrice Cosmetics. It's also really good just to go over them a bunch of times. My black eyeliner. Perfume. This is the Chanel. It's a small one because I don't like to carry like a lot of big bunch bottles because my bag is already filled with a lot of things. It's filled, so a mini mirror. I like to have like small things. Lipstick. Brownish nude. Then I have a pen because I need a pen to write down things. It doesn't make sense to have a notebook without a pen, obviously. Then I have this lipstick that I got. It's almost like lip gloss, but it's not shiny, so I like this one. It's more dark. I just have this in my bag just in case I want to look more fancy on like a night out day. And I think that's it. Well, hold on. Yes, I think that's it. So this is everything that I have in my bag, and I hope you guys enjoyed this short little fun video because I always wanted to do one. And oh, something that I want to give you guys along the way is I am working on a new song which is coming out really soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed my first song, and yes, it's been a really good journey to just, you know, work on music and stuff, and this is why I also have my notebook. I'm always writing down like song lyrics on the way, so when I have a bunch of ideas, I think it's just good to have something that you can write down on paper. So yeah, that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will definitely see you in a very new one. So stay tuned guys, and I will see you soon. Bye.